So let's see, I may do this zesty falafel tzatziki bowl. Oh no, that's the pita. So zesty falafel and tzatziki pita. That's 8 minutes of prep time and to cook. 410 calories, 2 servings. So it says heat 1 teaspoon of oil in skillet over medium. Cook falafel 2 to 3 minutes per side or until brown and hot. Meanwhile, toast 2 pitas until warm and golden. Slice pitas in half and divide 2 plates. Tear half of lettuce leaves, add to sandwich. Divide falafel sandwich and drizzle on 4 tablespoons of tzatziki, then close the lid. So all you'll need for this one is whole grain pita pockets, the organic zesty zucchini falafel, whole green leaf lettuce, and organic dairy-free tzatziki. So, okay. So what I will need are, let's see, where are the pitas? Oh, the pitas are here. Oops. So I'm gonna need, for this recipe, I'm gonna need the whole grain pita pockets, which is this one here. I'm going to need, what else did it say? The zucchini falafel, where's that one? Zucchini falafel, oh, right here. Is this it? Yep, this is zucchini falafel bites. I'm gonna need that. I will also need the green lettuce. That's this one here. I'm just gonna have to wash it, which I was gonna do anyway, but it could have opened while I was pulling out of the box. And I'm also gonna need the tzatziki sauce. So it looks like just, those 4 ingredients. So that's gonna be these items here. I'll put it against here so I can, the falafel bites, the lettuce, the pita, and the tzatziki sauce. I mean, seems simple enough. 4 ingredients, I can get with that. All right, let's see how it tastes though. I'm gonna go ahead and make that. I'm gonna do a little chili infused oil. It says like 1 tablespoon, so I'm just gonna put a little drizzle on there. We're gonna use these falafel bites. Let's see, how many am I supposed to do? Heat 1 tablespoon oil on the medium, cook falafel 2 to 3 minutes until brown. I mean, I don't know how many I'm supposed to use. Maybe half? Let's do half. Pull it back a little bit so you can see. I did half. Cut this open. I don't know if that's enough oil. Enough oil. I'm gonna add this. Okay. I got this open now. I'm gonna add, I guess, half of them. Seems like a lot. For one. Put that down. That's what it's looking like so far. Yeah. I think I might need some more oil. It's 2 to 3 minutes on each side, it says. I'm gonna flip them over. Apart. Well, that's how it's looking so far. Let it continue to cook. In the meantime, I've got my whole grain pitas. Right, I've got one here on the cutting board. I'm gonna cut it in half because I gotta toast it. So, it's not easy to do with one hand. Let's see. Like this. Like that. I'm gonna just slice it down here a little. There. I've got the 2 pieces here. Okay. I'm gonna take those and I'm gonna put those in the toaster. Got my toaster here. I'm gonna stick them in like sticking them in just like that. And toast them that way. We're improvising here, we're improvising. I've got my green leaf. I'm just going to take 2 pieces out. Let's see. Well, 1.5, because it's plenty for 1 pita. And I'm going to wash it. A nice rinse. Put a piece of paper towel down and dry it off. Let it dry. Let me cancel this because I don't want it too toasted. Yeah. And then there's my falafels. They're done. And then I'm just going to assemble them. Oh, and then I got my tzatziki sauce that I need to get. And I'm going to put my tzatziki sauce on there as well. And grab a plate. I have my bread, which I think I toasted too much. I'm going to put a piece of lettuce in there. Put my piece of lettuce inside. Just like that. Gotta open up my tzatziki sauce. There it is. It looks good. Looks good. So I'm gonna use a spoon. I'm gonna drizzle some in there. Like that. Okay. And I'm gonna put some of my falafels. I need. That's the falafels. Put that in there. I'll put 3 of them in there. Put 3 of them in there. Ooh. Okay. And that's how it looks. That's how it looks. Okay, I like a lot of sauce, so I'm gonna actually put a little more of the tzatziki sauce on top. There's a little bit more on top. Okay, who are we kidding? I like a lot of sauce. Okay. Alright, I did toast the bread a little. Let's see, where can I put this so you can actually see my real reaction to this. I'll put it right here. Go up a little bit. Okay. So that's what it looks like. And that's what. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Let's see if it's any good. I'm gonna try this part here that has all of everything, a little bit of everything there. Okay, let's see. Oh. It's good. Yeah. I like the tzatziki sauce. It's very good. I like it. It was very good. It's very good. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go enjoy this, but I definitely recommend this one. This is the falafel with the tzatziki sauce and the whole wheat pita. I don't even want to rate it because it's the first one I'm trying, but it's up there. I would say it's more than a 7. I would say more. It's an 8. It's pretty good. Very good. And it was easy to make.
If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas. Don't forget to comment below and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes on the channel.